Ooh, cold pizza. I gotta resist. As much as I want some cold pizza, I'm actually very hyped, very goddamn hyped about this. Came home just in time to receive what I've been waiting on for a while. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a brand new Q4. Let me make sure they sent me the right size. There has been a tire shortage, or at least it's been extremely hard to get my hands on these tires. I ordered the front a while ago, but we finally got the rear. This, you could even see the way it was made here. What's very unique about this tire, this is the best street tire you can buy. I don't care what nobody tells you. This is what I'm telling you. This is the best street tire you can buy. If you don't ride in the rain, you want extreme performance, this is your guy right here. These tires are made for like Isle of Man type shit, right? You don't have the time to stay in the pits and have tire warmers on. You need to get out there and go crazy ballistic as soon as you hit the track. These are your guys. They don't need tire warmers. They're extremely sticky. The way that they're manufactured is just all out performance in mind. Now, see the center right here is exceptionally soft. This is outrageous. That's crazy. Now, if we go to the front tire, you can't even collapse it. Same exact tire. The front's built different than the rear. That's for all out grip. These tires are also made from a process that they claim is like 3D printing. You can see it, it's more evident here. As the machine goes by, it lays rubber each time, like 100% exact. So these are a really good balanced tire. Let me go to work. Let me do work real quick. I got to take these wheels off. I got to take this shit down to go get my tires mounted before they close. Let me get this done. We'll talk later. All right, y'all, we back in action. Now, tires are mounted, everything's good to go, and we're ready for this weekend. I do have quite a bit of experience on this tire, because obviously, that's what I got on the R6. The R6 feels phenomenal, fantastic. And this thing, y'all know the biggest gripe I've had with this bike has been those punk-ass tires. Yes, these right here. I have not been a stranger to getting them low. This is the front tire. You see that wear all the way down to about right there. That's doing the max on the street. The tire that you don't trust. But I'm an idiot, and I really like to work myself hard to get the understanding of how this bike maneuvers. The front tire wasn't the problem. It was this one. This tire has been a pain in the ass, and we're right down on the edge on that side, right down on the edge on this side. As you can see where the wear is, it's been spinning up, slipping, sliding all over the place. I've been keeping the bike in traction control level 1 because of that. I didn't trust it. But, not saying I'm about to remove traction control from this, but now I got the meats. If you look at that, the wear on the front, it's exactly the same thing that I've done on the R6. The R6 is worn all the way to the edges. Now, if this was this standard tire, that's to the edge. But because these tires are designed to do 62 degrees or better of lean angle, this is literally the side of the tire. We got just a little bit more to go on that one. I'm not doing 62 degrees on the street. And you can see the front, same thing. Right there up to the edge. Now, I'm very comfortable on the street, but I've got this set up for the track. I will use this on the street because I have to scrub it in. I have to get it ready for the track. This bike is being set up specifically to use that much tire. I want to get to 60 degrees of lean angle if I can. This R1 does not come on 200 rear tires, so I did get the 190 55 sidewall because that's what it came with. As far as my gripes for this bike, I've addressed and sorted every single thing that I felt that was wrong with the bike when I first got it. We're gonna go to the back roads. We're gonna do one more good little run. I think we might even have a grudge match coming up because some dude was talking a little spicy. The real cool thing about this bike, which a lot of people don't really experience, this isn't a power monster. Yamaha did something very specific for this bike. Matter of fact, here's a little video as to what the difference is for this power delivery for this motorcycle.
The R1 isn't your real big bang engine, but it has the same goal. It has the goal of allowing the rider to better feel the limit of traction. It simply aims to strike a compromise between the absurd vibrations of a true big bang and the massive power delivery and efficiency of a real screamer.
Now, when people have asked, like, why does your bike sound like that? What's the sound from? That's exactly what it's from. And that sound, it really translates to me in my hands, on my ass, from the seat. It's like a heartbeat, and it gives you a very nice connection to it. Valentino Rossi said he was looking for a way to control his traction, not from traction control, from him getting the information from the bike going to that handlebar, that throttle. You got it. He wanted a physical connection to the motorcycle that makes him faster because he knows how and when to put the power down. I've been so used to this. I can grab that throttle and turn that thing coming out of corners. Most I'll do is glaze the tire. This is terrifying because it has like 25 pound-foot of torque more than this, what I'm used to, what I've been riding for years, since 2003. This being the first leader bike that I'm really actively, like really beasting on, riding it like I'm supposed to, this is gonna take some getting used to. And the fact that I have that odd connection, that feel to the bike, makes it that much better. It makes me understand it much better. I just think everything that I can do to aid myself in a better riding experience, no matter if it's back roads, front roads, on track, off track, that's what's gonna work out for me. Funny thing is, these tires are so much lighter than those, maybe about a pound or two given the whole combination, but lower rotational mass is a real key thing. So after we come off of the track, future mods, exhaust, 520, we're going to do clip-ons because this just frees up so much space. I'm really looking forward to making this thing everything that this is and becoming such a better rider with this. 600s I'm very comfortable with, I'm very fast with, but this is what's gonna make me phenomenal. So I'm really looking forward to hitting the back roads this weekend. Like I say, there might be a possible grudge match, but if not, me and the wingman for sure gonna be in the back roads, scrubbing them tires in and getting ready to hit the track. But I just had to make a quickie just right off of work. The FedEx guy was pulling right up as soon as I got here. I had to hop out, grab him, and go do this because I did not want the Friday rush to get me caught up and it take a while to get my tires done. I am ready to rock. Let's see what we can achieve here in the back roads this weekend.